For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes shall not perish but have everlasting life, 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 life. John 3:16.
Hello? Yes, this is Miss Show Me State. Doing well, thank you. How about yourself? Oh no, not at all. I was just reading a book. Yes. Instant Weave? IWD5? Okay. Sure thing, thank you. Toodles. Hi Gummy Bears! Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Show Me State 23 and I'm coming in today with a wig review. If you're interested in finding out which unit this is on my head, then please stay tuned. Okay Gummy Bears, with no further ado, this wig is by Sensationnel. It is from their Instant Weave collection and it is in the style IWD5. I purchased mine in the shade 1B, which is my natural hair color. As you can see, it just blends in effortlessly. Oh my God, Gummy Bears. Sensationnel has stepped their game up like never before. I know a few years ago I had done a review on a wig by Sensationnel and I will put a link somewhere above there. The hair was pretty, but it wasn't to this level. Like, these hair companies are improving more and more every single day. And this is just a fall, which is like a half wig. 100% premium fiber. As you can see there, it is safe to curl up to 400 degrees. So between 350 and 400 degrees, because it is 100% premium fiber. It comes in a variety of different shades, which I may go back and purchase one if Sensationnel doesn't send me one. You can send me one, Sensationnel. My information to where you can reach me is down in the gummy box below. Check it out. So yes, Gummy Bears, this wig, oh my lord, it was so affordable. Look at the color, look at the texture, look at the curl pattern on this thing. No shine, no shedding. I would give it around, if you pull it down, about 28 inches. But just curled up like it is, I would give it around 26 inches. It does have layers in it, which is just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's face framing. It just so beautiful, Gummy Bears. I love this wig. Like, this will be my go-to summer unit. Look at the curl pattern. It is so beautiful. That, yes, slay the game. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share this video around the world. Until next time, Gummy Bears, please don't forget that the sky is your limit and that I love you. May God bless you, Gummy Bears. Mwah. Mwah. Bye. IWD. What a cutie.